What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going back to the local river, catch some bluegill, some sunfish, hopefully. I'm looking to keep really as many as I can. So later this week I want to go camping on the river and run some limb lines and run some jugs for some catfish. And I want to keep some bluegill to throw in the freezer so I can just bring them and throw them on the hooks when I get there. So let's get out there, hopefully catch some nice ones, hopefully we have some fun. See you guys out there. Now guys, I forgot to tell you, I'm only bringing one rod today. Bringing this fly rod, super old fly rod that one of my buddies gave to me, who knows how long ago, but I'll be the first one to admit it. I'm not very good at fly fishing, but I figured it would be a good experience to switch it up a little bit and try to catch these panfish on the fly. So it's honestly a little bit windy today too. It's actually blowing really hard. Missed it. Big sunfish. Got him. Wow. He choked it too. Absolutely choked it. Oh, I need my pliers for this one. Wow. There we go. Yeah, this will be really good cut bait for my jug lines and for my limb lines, hopefully. Oh yeah, that's slippery.
It's getting hot. I hate walking through tall grass, and especially in the summer. Scared of snakes. I guess I don't really know where I'm at either. Alright guys, we just made it back home. Unfortunately, my phone did die out there, but I'll be honest, you guys did not miss very much. It got super hot and the bite slowed down a little bit. I try to grind 1 or 2 more fish out, but just weren't biting. But you guys saw we did end up keeping these 2 large red-breasted sunfish, so those should be really good as cut bait. I'm gonna throw them in the freezer so we can use them later on for my jugs and for my limb line. So that's gonna be it for today's video, but I appreciate y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.